अर्जुन अकेडमी बेस्ट इन बॉटनी चैनल में आपका शानदार जोरदार ज़बरदस्त स्वागत है। सो लिसन, अंडरस्टैंड एंड मेमोराइज। चैप्टर नेम सेल द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। ऑडियो 1। व्हाट इज अ सेल? डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेल। Cell is smallest basic unit of life or living organisms. Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Cell is fundamental unit of life. Cell shows free existence. Cell is smallest basic fundamental structural and functional unit of life that shows free existence. Complete body of unicellular organism is made up of single cell and all metabolic processes for survival performed in single cell. For example, amoeba, euglena, paramecium. Body of multicellular organism is made up of million of cells. For example, human, mango, etc. These are the cells which after organization form body of multicellular organism, and all the functions in multicellular organism also performed by the cells. Life of all multicellular organisms start from single cell structure, that is zygote, which through cell division forms embryo and laterally complete body. Hierarchy of complex body organization. Atom, group of atom called molecule, group of molecules called compound, group of compounds form different cell organelles, group of cell organelles form a cell, group of cells called tissue, group of tissues called organ, group of organs called organ system, and group of organ system called body or organism. Discovery of cell. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He took thin slices of cork of Spanish oak tree, scientific name Quercus, and observed under self-made simple microscope. He saw hexagonal honeycomb-like structure and called as cellula, in plural cellulae. Term cellula laterly converted into cell. Cork represents dead outer part of plant or stem. Cell means empty or hollow compartment or chamber. Cork represents dead cell without any protoplasm or living material. Robert Hooke gets credit for discovery of cell, discovery of dead cell, discovery of cell wall. For the first time, Anton von Leeuwenhoek in 1674 discovered living cells like RBC, amoeba, that is protozoan, sperm cell, bacteria, etc. He named or he called these cells as animalcules. Scientist Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Cell theory. Statements given by different scientists for explanation of cell called cell theory. Most famous and widely accepted cell theory was given by Matthias Jacob Schleiden, that is M.J. Schleiden, and Theodor Schwann, that is T. Schwann, in 1839. M.J. Schleiden, 1838, was a German botanist. He worked on different plant cells. T. Schwann, 1839, was a British zoologist. He worked on different animal cells. Later on, M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann together gave cell theory in 1839. M.J. Schleiden, while working on plant cells, said that plant body is made up of different plant cells and cells together form plant tissue. Theodor Schwann said that animal cell is covered by flexible elastic covering called cell membrane. Laterly, while working on plant cells, Theodor Schwann observed that plant cells have rigid hard outer covering in addition to cell membrane called as cell wall. Presence of cell wall is characteristic feature of plant cells. Cell wall is absent in animal cells. Statements of cell theory. First, cell is smallest basic fundamental unit of life which shows free existence. Second, a cell is generally made up of three components. Number 1, cell membrane, also called plasma membrane. Number 2, cytoplasm. Number 3, nucleus. Third, according to Schwann, plant and animals are assembled or result of cells and cell products. Fourth, cell has nucleus which contains genetic material in the form of DNA or chromosome. DNA express the characters of organisms and also involved in inheritance of characters from one generation, that is parent, to next generation, that is offspring. Fifth, function of any organism depend on functions of cell and cell components and coordination among themselves. Cell theory of Schleiden and Schwann failed to explain that how new cells are formed. In 1855, Rudolf Virchow gave a statement omnis cellula e cellula, which means all new cells arise from pre-existing cells through cell division. After the statement given by Rudolf Virchow, cell theory got final shape. Cell theory called as modified or modern cell theory. Exceptions of cell theory. Number 1, viruses. Viruses are acellular organisms. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus are absent. They are made up of protein coat, that is capsid, and genetic material, either DNA or RNA. Second, mature RBC and sieve tube are enucleated, that is nucleus absent. Third, hypha of rhizopus. Organisms like Opelina, Paramecium, slime molds are unicellular structure but having more than one nuclei, that is multinucleated. Sinusitic cell and syncytium cell are also multinucleated. An overview of cell. To study plant cell, onion peel, and to study animal cell, cheek cell are used. Cell is made up of three components. First, cell membrane, also called plasma membrane and plasma lemma. It is flexible, elastic, living, selectively permeable covering of cell. Cell membrane is universal layer or covering found in all types of cells. Second, cytoplasm. It is semi-fluid crystallo-colloidal substance present below cell membrane. All membrane bound and membraneless cell organelles, which are also called cellular machineries of cell, are suspended in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm represents an arena where all biochemical or biological activities takes place performed by cell organelle. Number 3, nucleus. It is also called brain or controller of the cell. Nucleus contains genetic material, that is DNA. Nucleus controls all cellular activities. Based on presence and absence of nucleus, cell can be divided into two types. First, prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive, incipient, not well developed. Karyon means nucleus. Prokaryotic cell has false, primitive, not well developed nucleus. Nucleus lacks nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. Genetic material occurs as naked DNA not associated with histone proteins to form chromatin. Due to absence of nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm and cytoplasm cannot be distinguished. Membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. Only 70S type ribosomes present, which is membraneless cell organelle. For example, Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, blue-green algae, Mycoplasma. Second, eukaryotic cell. Eu means true, advanced, well developed. Karyon means nucleus. Eukaryotic cell has true, well developed nucleus. Nucleus consists of nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and genetic material present in the form of chromatin or chromosome. DNA is associated with histone proteins to form chromatin. Nucleoplasm and cytoplasm can be distinguished. Membrane-bound cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, mitochondria, etc. are present. Ribosome is of 80S type. For example, protists, fungi, plants, animals. Size of cell. Cells varies greatly in size. Smallest cell, mycoplasma, also called PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism, 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer. Largest cell, ostrich egg, 170 into 150 millimeter or 15 centimeter. Longest cell, nerve cell or neuron, 90 centimeter to 1 meter. Acetabularia, green algae, 10 centimeter. Jute fiber, 6 meter. Typical bacteria, 3 to 5 micrometer. RBC cell, 7 micrometer. Virus, 0.02 to 0.2 micrometer. Shape of cell. Shape of cells can be oval, spherical, polygonal, hexagonal, columnar, cuboidal, disc-like, spindle-shaped, irregular, etc. Oval shaped, for example, egg cell. Elongated, branched, for example, neuron or nerve cell. Branched, for example, pigment cell. Spindle shaped, for example, muscle cell. Polygonal, for example, liver cell. Slipper shaped, for example, paramecium. Disc like, for example, RBC. Bye bye, take care, thank you so much.